will talk about Descartes' rule of signs, and then we will talk about rational root theorem. So this is what French mathematician Descartes did. So from the polynomial function, you take the sign of each term. So examine the sign of each term first, and then see, do we have changes between signs? Plus minus? Yes, we have changes. Minus minus? No. Minus minus? No. Minus plus? Yes, we have changes. Plus minus? Yes, we have changes again. So how many changes do we see? Changes of sign. How many times? I draw curve 1 to 3, right? So I see 3 changes of a sign, plus minus or minus plus. So Descartes says there are possible maximum 3 positive real solutions in this case. So he said that's the possible case, not exact, but he had to limit the number of the possibility, okay? So that was his idea, and I see 3 sign of changes, plus minus, and there will be 3 roots on the x-intercepts, okay? Because signs are changing, so he got 3. And his theorem says even you subtract 2 even number of the number from the maximum, and you will have another possibility. So 3 is the maximum 3, and another case you will have 1, okay, 1 or maximum 3. That is going to be called Descartes' rule of signs. And I need to add some more on it because on this example we talk about only the positive case. And let's look at your handout. Did I give you a handout? No? Okay. Oops. Alright, I'll give you the handout soon after I finish this, okay? So don't take notes. This will be on your paper. Just look and let's see. And then I'm going to go over it together. This one look like postcard? No, stamp, right? He's a mathematician from long time ago in France. So this is how we write the polynomial functions in general way, okay? So don't worry about the notations. We will see this a lot in higher level math classes later on. This is the rule of signs. For positive solutions, you count the number of the changes of the signs, and then you can say that's the maximum, or subtract 2 from it, and then you can say another options. For negative case, we put f of negative x in the equation and then see the changes of sign again, and then you can say this is maximum, or subtract 2 if it is possible, and then you can say the lower number as possible solutions. So I'm going to do one problem with you, okay? And then I'll give you the time you can take notes. So give me the f of x. What is my f of x? So I'm going to copy that down. And let's talk about sign. Tell me, what is the first term sign? Nothing. Positive. That's right. Second one, positive. Next one, negative. Next one, negative. So now let's consider the changes of the sign. Is it changed? No. Is it changed? Okay, so for the yes part, I'm going to put the curve, okay? Yes. Is this change? Negative to negative? No. So I see one change of sign, right? And then Descartes says, then there is a possibility you can have a maximum. How many? 1. Positive or negative? This case, positive solutions. Solutions or zeros or root, those are the same thing. So we may have 1 positive 0. Okay, that's what he said. And the other case, I need to consider, what about negative solutions? So he tried to expand this exact same thing with negative number. So instead of x, what I'm going to do is plug what? Negative x. Okay, so I'm going to replace negative x everywhere. And then we will simplify. 3 negative signs make still negative, that's right. 2 negative signs make positive, and two negatives here again, positive, and this will be negative 12. And now let's check signs. First term, negative. Second term, positive. Third term, positive. Last one, negative. Let's change it. Let's see the changes, okay? Is it this change? Negative to positive? Yes. Plus to plus? No. Plus to minus? Yes. So how many changes? Two changes of sign, plus minus. So what will be the conclusion by Descartes' sign rule, sign of rule, rules of sign, right? Rule of sign. So he will say there are possible solutions, maximum number 2, right? What kind of a solution? Is this positive solution or negative solution? Since I'm calculating negative case, this one gives you negative 2 possible solutions. Okay? So this is called rules of sign. And I have two rules here, right?